Hello you guys, it's me, Maya Evelina, and in today's video we're talking Depop. If you don't know, but you would like to know what Depop is like a marketplace where you can sell and buy secondhand things. It's kind of like a thrift store on an app, but you can also sell new items, just unwanted jewelry, shoes, clothes, things that are just lying around your house. You're like, I don't need these, but I don't necessarily want to donate them. I can make a few extra bucks off them. This is the platform you're going to use to do that. I personally use it. This is not sponsored, but it should be, honestly. My closet lately has been overwhelming me, so I've been doing a clean out. I've been deciding what items I want to donate, what items I want to sell, and today I'm going to show you my Depop process, what I do to get everything ready and then get it listed and hopefully sold. So let's get into it. So step number one is choosing the items you're going to sell. The way I like to do this is I like to do a little closet clean out. I like to go through each individual item and think about them thoroughly and think, do I wear this still? Am I going to continue to wear this? And if not, then I start to make piles. The categories for these piles are sell 100% on Depop, we have a donation pile, and then we have an undecided because I can be a little bit undecisive for some pieces. Items that sell best on Depop include things like name brand items, like Nike. I have some Tommy Hilfiger in here. There's a million out there. Google some popular name brands, and they can be mid-range priced brands. Like, they don't have to be the most expensive. They don't have to be Chanel. They don't have to be Gucci. In fact, people are mostly looking for more affordable items to buy because they're thinking this is secondhand. Unless they're looking for a specific item, then maybe they're willing to pay more for it. For the most part, people are just browsing. They're not looking to spend a whole bunch of money on Depop, but maybe they're also looking for high quality items like cottons, linens, genuine natural materials, items that are in good condition, no holes, no stains, maybe seasonal items. Maybe it's about to be fall and they're looking for that new fall jacket. And maybe you have an old fall jacket or a lighter jacket that you want to sell. So that's the perfect opportunity to put it out there because it's a seasonal item. Something else that sells really well, trendy items, nicely designed items, items that are structured really well. These are examples of some qualities that sell well on Depop, but that doesn't mean you can't sell your lower name brand items like Forever 21 or an item with maybe a little stain on it or a little hole on it. As long as you're extremely open and disclose every single issue, what the brand is in the description, and label things correctly, people can be open and willing to purchase something for whatever reason, as long as you're very transparent. Awesome. So you chose your items and you're going to throw them all in one big pile because that's what you need to get ready for the next step. While you're in the next step, you're thinking about the description already. What about these items makes them quality? What makes them sellable? And you're going to start thinking about little descriptions in your head before you even get to uploading them, just so you're ready for that step. Now for a fun part in my process is the photo shoot. The way I like to have a photo shoot for my Depop items is I like to set up a little tripod. I just use my phone and I try in each item and basically model them and take photos. I like to try my best to capture the items with the best positioning, with the best pose, just because this is what's going to sell the item. This is what's going to catch someone's eye and be like, oh, I like the way that looks on this image. This looks really well done. This is a high quality item. This is something that's fashionable and trendy that I can also pull off. I want to look like that image. You can upload up to 4 images on one single listing. So what I like to do is I like to upload 3 different images of 3 different poses or positionings of the item so people get a good look, like 360 around it. And then I like to take the 4th and final image of the label so people understand what the brand is 100%, what the sizing is, and maybe whatever other description the label might have that might spark their interest. Now that we've had our photo shoot, let's get into the app. In the app is where we're going to list our item, but before that, let me show you around. This is the home page where you can view what you're following. You can search for items if you want to buy. This is my page, and this is the little marketplace where you can list your items. So to do that, we're going to click List an Item, and this is where we're going to get started. So we're going to choose up to 4 photos. So starting with this, let's choose our 3 best poses and then the label. Once we're done with that, we're going to start inputting our information, and this category is a woman's jacket. So we're going to click on coats and jackets, and this is a jacket. We're going to click on the brand name. We're going to search. This is a Tommy Hilfiger jean jacket, so we're going to search Tommy Hilfiger. You can choose the type of jacket, but since they don't have the option for jean jacket, we're just going to leave it blank. Next, we're going to choose the material, and this is a cotton jean jacket, so let's click cotton. Next, we're going to choose the occasion. It's a pretty casual jacket. You can wear it in the summer and go out in it. Let's choose the color. So the color of this is blue and slightly navy. We're going to choose the size. This is a large. Now let's get to our description. You are thinking about what you want to write, right? So let's be descriptive. This is a Tommy Hilfiger jacket. We want to be extremely detailed. We want to tell them if there's a little stain, if there's a hole. We want to be transparent as well. We're going to give every little detail. We're going to say what the style is. It's super comfortable, and you can wear it anywhere, so it's very versatile as well. Something we forgot to do, but I added later, is add hashtags. You can add up to 5 hashtags as well, and people will be able to find your description a little bit better. We're going to choose our price, and we're going to do that based on the factors: the quality, the brand, the condition it's in, and for this, I'm going to be setting it at $30. For the shipping, you have to choose based on how much it weighs, and you can choose to do free shipping, which you pay for, or you can have the buyer pay for the shipping. And usually I have the buyer pay for the shipping just because it's not worth it for me to deliver this item and also pay the shipping. So I might be changing the pricing around. If this doesn't end up selling, I might change it to a lower price, like $28. And I like to play around. I just like to see how things go as time goes. Once you're done filling it out, just click done and list your item. Yay, you've listed your first item, congratulations. If you go to your feed, now you can see your items listed and people can start shopping, yay. You can always go back in and edit the details and switch around the images if you're not feeling the first image. Here is what my feed looks like after I edited, uploaded some new items. I like to put everything sold to the bottom, but I like to keep the sold items up just so people know that I've been a successful seller. So after you list an item, you're gonna get a bunch of notifications, hopefully, of people liking, maybe commenting, maybe they're gonna message you and try to bargain with you. So you might list something for $30, they're gonna try to get it down to $28, and if that works for you, you can be, yeah, let's do that, sold to you for $28, and then they buy it. Depop makes it really easy for customers to just purchase in the platform. Your PayPal or bank account is already connected to the app, so Depop will just automatically send you the money, and of course they take a 10% fee for every transaction, so that's how they make money. So they're gonna take that fee, and once the transaction has gone through, Depop will generate a shipping label for you, and you will find that in your feed, and once you print out the shipping label, you package your product or your item that you're trying to sell. I like to use and reuse like Amazon packagings, or, you know, just use, reuse, recycle some old shipments you might have gotten previously to package it. You're gonna stick the shipping label and you're gonna deliver it to your local post office, and that's it really. Once the item is delivered to the buyer, then Depop gets notified because there's a tracking code on all the packages, and you guys can leave feedback on both sides, and hopefully you get a positive review. You should, if you were really transparent in your description and the person was expecting one item and get exactly that item. And that's how things go. So hopefully this video was helpful. Hopefully you learned more about Depop and how to use Depop and sell on Depop, and hopefully you start selling and making some money off your old stuff. All right, guys, thank you. Please like, subscribe, follow, hit the bell button to be notified for my next video. Have a great rest of your day.